welcome to Card Making with Crystal, Christmas in July edition. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun fold card with a circle feature. So cute. Let's begin. All the measurements for all of these pieces of paper are in the description box. Let's get started. So we're going to start with some scoring as usual. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this 6.5 by 5.5 sheet of paper and score it to 2 1/4. You're going to take this circle and you're going to store it at 3, and you're going to take this embossed circle and you're going to score it at 2 3/4. Right. All right. Now you're going to take this piece of paper and you're going to fold it back and burnish that fold really well. Now you're going to take these two pieces and you're going to line up the score lines together and stick it together. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of this, a generous amount of glue, especially on where it's scored. And I'm going to line up the score lines like this, while of course centering the circles. All right. Then I'm going to fold on both score lines together like so and burnish it really well. Now I'm going to take this piece of paper and mark it up here, and then you're going to take this and you're going to stick it in between here like so. See what we did? So I'm raising this up and sticking this in between like this, and we're going to stick this down just like so. I'm going to decide that I want it, this is 1 inch and this is just about 1 inch, so right, and then I'm gonna open, glue, and stick down, and that's the first thing you're gonna stick. Then I'm gonna put glue all over the back of this one, especially on top here, and I'm gonna stick it down like so on the inside. So this is your inside layer where you're going to either stamp something or write something, or do whatever you want to do. All right, and since we're inside, one time I'm actually going to stick the inside layer where you would be writing on the inside of the card, so that we don't have to come back and do that. I have a circle here that you can put here like this, or you can cut off a piece of the circle, which is what I would do. So I will measure this up at the same 2 3/4 inches and cut off a piece of this so that when I stick it, it looks like this. And how cool does that look? That looks really nice, right? So that's another place in this card where you can write something to your loved one. So let's stick that one time, because that looks really nice there. Right? Good. So now let's decorate this card. Right. Then I'm going to take a ribbon, tie it like so, pull this down, bring it over and then under, and then tie it like that. See how it stays together? So it's really in the over and under for it to stay in the line with this. All right? Now we're going to decorate this section of the card. It's going to be so cool. We're going to put a big, beautiful tree in the middle here. Joining me while I show you how to make this very cute fun fold card with a circle feature. As I said in the video, this circle can be used to feature anything. I chose trees. You can put any kind of Christmas type product here. And if you're making this and it's not Christmas, it's somebody's birthday, you can put cake, ice cream, anything. The options for this card are endless. If you like this video, make sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.